Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access gestures. Now tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down to access this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. When you're ready, click on it, tap on Got It, hold this little shortcut and place it wherever you wish to. Then, to access one-handed mode, click on the shortcut. As you can see, now it's on. If you wish to go back, click over here or swipe up. To disable one-handed mode completely, go back to the same settings and select No Blue Switcher. If you are using gestures though, you need to click on the switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode at the top. Then make sure that Pull Screen into Reach is on and pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on again. You can go back the same way as before. If you wish to disable it, tap on the blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!